Hey guys, welcome to LA Love Creative, and today we're going to talk about my new office setup. If you haven't, make sure you hit the bell so you can stay notified when we post new videos. I know you're probably thinking, where am I? And I don't know. I never know where I am. I've been doing a lot of work with clients. I've been shooting a lot of weddings. And me and my wife also moved into a new place. And in this new place, I have a new office that I am almost done with. And I thought I'd break down how I actually designed it and the ideas behind what's going on in my new office. When it comes to an office space, because I do work from home, it's important for me to be really comfortable in that space. I like the space to reflect my personality, but at the same time, be clean and simple enough aesthetic-wise that I feel like I'm not cluttered and I feel like I can actually organize my thoughts better. For starters, one of the things that was important to me is I'm shooting a lot of YouTube videos. I know it's been a while since I shot one, but I wanted my space to not only look good from a design aspect, but also look good on camera. And when it comes to my desk setup, I have a Ikea hardwood kitchen counter tabletop as my table, and then I have two Ikea dressers underneath that are not connected, just laying on top. Now, as a creative, I use PC and Mac. I have a 5K Mac. I have a M1 Mac Air. I have my NZXT mini PC behind me that I usually use for most of my projects. It really is just a balance. I like to do a lot of gaming as well, so I like to use my PC for PC games. Next to my computer, I have two awesome speakers from a company called Sanyun. I wanted to go really expensive with my speakers, but I found that these speakers were a good combination of quality and also affordability. I love the sound that comes out of them, and I think they're a good deal. I have my iPhone charger on this really cool little blimp little smart mag charger. The computer is on a awesome stand that I drove far out to get from Ikea. It's the ELLOVEN computer stand. I love this stand. It's got a drawer. You can put stuff inside of it. It's just a really cool stand that fits the aesthetic of my desk, and I'm a big fan of it. The next area I have in my office is an office where I put my M1 MacBook. I also have my camera usually set up there, a few photography books, just in case I want to look at them, like lighting photography books. I have my Canon RP sitting up on there. People always ask me why I bought a Canon RP. I really still think that's an awesome camera, especially for an entry-level camera. I have some, pins. I have a little Gundam there that I got from Tokyo. I love anime and I love manga. I plan on adding a whole manga collection, maybe a bookshelf over there where I can put a lot of my collection on there as I continue to grow it. Who knows what kind of manga I'll actually end up putting over there, but I plan to make it more of my little geeky area. One of my favorite things I have over there is my neon sign that you will recognize from my other videos. It says, "Do what you love," and that has always been my motto ever since I've picked up a camera or picked up a cinema camera, and I plan on doing that for the rest of my life. Now, the next area I have is my reading area. I have a little couch. It's actually a futon. Just in case one of my friends gets a little too drunk and needs to crash. I love having a reading area like this. I don't do a lot of reading unless it's like, manga, but at the same time, I do really appreciate having a little chill area like this if I need to write something or if I just really want to meditate or chill. The artwork over my couch, I got it off of Amazon. I love this artwork. I am very simple when it comes to art. My wife makes fun of me because I like shapes or like brush strokes. I love all that really simple art. Maybe I'm boring, I don't know. I love that stuff. One of the cool things I have in this office is I have color changing LED light bulbs in this light, and also I love my little sunset lamp that I got off of TikTok. I love when I am just editing photos or video and it's just the room's completely dark and I have this little sunset lamp putting a sun on the wall. And as far as the last light that I'm really proud of is I have a LED light stick that I got offline. I really love this light. It's super bright, so it's kind of hard to use, but I love it and I plan on using it when I'm doing YouTube videos, and I love the way it looks. My little closet situation. Now, my closets are not organized. This is not no organized, desk Now, this is not one of those organized office tours where you're like, wow, your organization skills are amazing. No, they're not. But I got these little shelves from Target. They're like these little metal shelves. I put them inside my closet, and I put these LED kind of like sticky lights just to give me some light. So inside my office, I have my Canon C70 stuff. I have all my lenses. I have a few lights. I have my camera photography bag. In my other closet, I have primarily just tripods and monopods and bags. I plan on really organizing this area and trying to make it a little bit better. But for the most part, I have everything I need if I need to do a quick shoot for YouTube or for a fashion or photography thing. And for the most part, it's been working for me, and I plan to get better at it. Believe me, it'll look better. But at the moment, that's just what it is. It is what it is now, okay? I think one of the main things I like as a creative is a simple and comfortable environment. I am loving this office right now. I plan on making it a little bit more personal for myself, put a little bit better art on the walls, and just really try to organize things a little bit better. But for the most part, that's the tour of my office that you will see moving forward for YouTube videos. If you like anything from this video, I will have links in the description of this video. Let me know if you have any questions about photography or videography, and I will see you next time. See you later.